To get an engobe has to fit the shrinkage rate of the clay that you're using. The easiest way to do it is to take some real, just slurry of the same clay and add some oxides to it, like iron oxide. That will get you some red. Add some whatever colors you want to get some engobes. But there's a recipe for engobes that I think I posted on the board there. If not, I'll have to get it and post it. No, I think it got taken. Okay. I'll find it and put it on there. And the reason I want to show you some engobes is that a lot of our glazes, these engobes will show up through the glaze itself. And since I'm asking you to embellish these kylixes, you may want to just put a whole layer of engobe on there. You can paint like it's a paint, or you can put the whole thing on there and then scratch through it like a sgraffito. So you're actually creating another way to embellish the graphics. Okay, same kind of thing. I want to push the mass of the clay towards the center. Relax, pull away. Push down. Relax. Pull away. I'm not going all the way down. I'm not going down as far as I did with the cylinder. What's real important with a bowl is that I want to create, as I throw, like I've opened it up here, just like we did here. We're at the same stage we were there. Only this bottom part is thicker than that was. And now what I want to do is I want to throw the shape this way. I don't want it to have a squared bottom. Before, what we did was we squared off the bottom. Okay, now with a bowl, we don't want that. We want it to be nice, a nice arc this way. So we're going to kind of throw that arc. Really lay this bowl out more. Where a kylix, looking like a kylix ought to be right now. And you can use your fist to help form this too. Like when I make plates, I just use my fist and kind of form it out. Kylix doesn't have to be this big. Remember, these are just like drinking cups, even though they're big. When you go to look at them, they're actually pretty big.
So, that's... Never mind.
Sorry.
I'm good. Pay no attention to the guy behind the camera.
Now, once you get this shape down, really I'll demonstrate this next week, but what you might want to think about is to make another similar shape to attach to the bottom, or you could actually, once this is set up, put a little ball of clay on the bottom and then throw the shape. And I'll do both next week. I'll show you how to do both. Understand that distinction? Okay. So one would be, you make this part, You make a similar part, only smaller, that maybe will be this wide, that will be the foot for this piece, and you join them together. The other one would be you make this bowl, and then you actually take raw clay and put it on the bottom, and then throw that form there. So you should be able to do both. And these are the skills you want to work with, not just the throwing skills. We want to have skills that will construct things. In this reading that you're going to read to page 90, you'll see a lot of different ways to construct pots, as well as just basic throwing stuff. Okay, so it's real important that you spend this time in this next week or two in here. If you're kind of rusty on your throwing, get that down, and then the rest of it will be just kind of building and looking at pots, and then trying to duplicate or have some your own ideas. See what happens. And sometimes it's nice to even start without an idea. Just come in here and make something. Make a bowl, make another bowl, see if it fits on top of each other, make it fit on top of each other, and see what constructive thing comes out of it. You can even approach it that way. That's a lot of fun. Okay, that's it. So if you want to take some time now and play with, make some stuff, get your hands wet while I'm here, and I can kind of watch you and maybe help you with some instruction.